In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says find the slope of the line 7x equals 3y minus 9. Okay, guys, this question is very simple with the calculator I'm going to show you. So the very first thing you have to do is to reset the calculator, and to reset, just press the come button, this plus button, go for option 7, then press 1 and press 2. It will reset it for you, erase all data. Alright, so we are good to go. Press this clear button. Now guys, merely looking at this question, alright, I already know the answer. Okay, the answer to this question is basically option C, 7/3, but I'm going to show you guys on how to verify. Alright, so let's do it. Now we're going to make use of the equation of a straight line graph. Alright, because this is a straight line expression or equation, which is the equation of a straight line graph is y equals ms plus c. So we need to make y the subject formula here. Firstly, this -9 will cross over the equality sign. We're going to have 7x plus 9 equals 3y. Alright, so when you divide both sides by 3, you're going to have 7x over 3 plus 9 over 3. So 9 over 3 is the same thing as 3. So basically our y will be 7x over 3 plus 3. So that's the equation of this straight line graph. So let's plot it on this calculator. We have this y equals in fraction alpha, this fraction is here. Okay, press 1. So we have 7x over 3. Alright, then plus 3. Okay, so this is the equation of the straight line graph we are looking for. Alright, so let's plot it, graph it, press this graph button. So it's a straight line graph equation. Okay, so now to get a slope, you're going to find the derivative of this graph, and that will give you the slope. So you press second and this trace button for calc, go for divide by dx, press 6. Okay, we are good to go. Just press enter, and when x is 0, y equals 3. Just press enter to get the derivative. So we have it to be divided by dx equals 2.33. Alright, and 2.33 is the same thing as 7/3. As I told you guys initially that the answer is 7/3. Alright, so 2.33 is the same thing as 7/3. That's the answer to this question, option C. Okay, let me show you guys second mode button to quit. So 7 divide 3 is 2.33. Alright, so the correct option is what, option C. This is basically how you can solve this kind of question easy and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to my channel for more of my videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding this topic or what I have explained, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. Just press the come button, this plus button, go for option 7, press 1 and press 2. Alright, so we're good to go. Now click on the end screen above, and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.